Okay, what's going on, guys? So in the last video I did the install of the F-150 grill. So in this video we're gonna do, I don't know, what do you think? Suspension, skid plate?
Skid plate.
Okay, so in this video we're gonna do the install of the skid plate. Again, I did this video for RTR, but since it's out there on the market, now we're gonna bring it to you. Hey, what's going on? I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, here with this installation video to help you get your Ford F-150 set up and ready to rock. What do you say we jump into it? Start by removing the trim panels in the bumper by pulling outward until the spring clips release. Remove the two 21mm flange nuts on each side, securing the bumper to the frame. From behind the bumper, disconnect the fog lamps, pry the fog lamp wiring harness anchor out of the bumper and remove the 21mm inner flange nut on each side. Disconnect the cruise control module behind the bumper if so equipped and slide the bumper forward and set it on a padded working surface. Remove the 5 13mm bolts holding the mounting plate to the bumper. Remove the 4 8mm bolts holding mounting plates to the bumper on each side. Remove the 18 10mm flange nuts securing the air dam to the bumper. Compress the 3 plastic connectors securing the no longer needed air dam to the bumper and push them out. After you've removed the OEM tow hook covers, reinstall the fog lamps and bumper mounts and torque them down to 18 foot-pounds. Reinstall the front bumper and torque down to 76 foot-pounds. If working on an F-150 with an FX4 package, remove the 2 front OEM skid plate bolts. Loosen the 2 15mm tow hook bolts on either side so that the hook hangs approximately 0.75 inches below the frame. Slide the skid plate onto the vehicle between the tow hooks and the frame with the rear edge of the skid plate over the OEM plate or cover. On FX4 model, slide the 2 10mm spacers between the RTR skid plate and the OEM skid plate. Align the holes in the spacer with the vehicle and secure the skid plate using the OEM 15mm bolts. Torque the tow hook bolts to 35 foot-pounds from the rear of the skid plate. Transfer any trim clips that were retained in the bumper back onto the tabs and reinstall trim panels onto the vehicle. Note, due to the overhang of the skid plate, clip-on license plate frames will not go back on in their regular position. You'll need to flip these upside down and re-secure them to the vehicle as so. Okay, I hope you guys liked that video. I hope it was very informative to you. We have some more stuff that we're gonna try and be putting out on Thursday that's gonna be more parts related. Since I work for RTR, that means it's gonna be RTR parts. So we do have some new stuff that's gonna be coming up for you, as well as little Miss Gabby here. We have to transform her green machine that she's got behind her that she has named the
She-Hulk.
Okay, she whack. See you guys later.
Yay.